The practicum experience is a critical component to the success of the nursing practice.
The practicum provides you with that hands-on environment. You get to see someone that walks and does everything that you are preparing yourself to do every single day. You learn from those experiences. It guides your practice and it helps you build your own style of leadership.
At Walden University, we support students every step of the way as you gain entrance to your field experience and your practicum. We have an exceptional field experience team who will support you. We also pledge to match you with a site and preceptor if you are unsuccessful on your own.
Being able to take that knowledge and apply it into your practice gives you that experiential learning, and that support is phenomenal at Walden.
Walden University, set a course for change.